Hello, friends and followers. Well, here is the Heathkit Marauder HX-10 transmitter once again. And lucky day for me, I had a bunch of tubes come in. This radio takes 3 6CB6As, so I put all 3 tubes in this thing, new ones. And what I really wanted to replace was the driver tube, so whoops, where's that box? Well, at any rate, I did have a driver tube for it too, which I put in, which is this 6CL6. So of concern to me was these 6CB6As. This third mixer is a 6CB6A. I wasn't quite sure it was even a good tube as far as not shorting out. 6CL6 I'm sure was weak. Wow, it's getting hot. 6CB6 over here in the VFO, which is an output driver tube and crystal oscillator, and there's a 6CB6 over here, which is the IF tube here for the sideband. So replaced 4 tubes today, and then I want to take another power reading test on how well it's working, and it made some interesting improvements. Actually, the drive level now is so high I can't turn it down, and I'm seeing a bit of grid current once in a while too, which I thought the grid meter was broken because I could never get anything out of it. Anyway, let's go through a quick power run up on this thing here. I'm on 80 meters now. Drive is down, and let's tune it up on 80 here real quick. It's keyed up, a little bit of drive. And nothing coming out that way. Let's go back to plate voltage or plate current. There we go. Try it again. I'm on 80 and tune it for some. You can tune it for hum, really. There it goes. When the transformer hums, you know it's drawing current and it's starting to go. So, okay, there's 80 meters and it puts out a ton of power there. So 80 meters, I can put out almost 150 watts sometimes, so that's good with a carrier. 40 meters. Again, key it, tune for the hum, or just tune for some power, and 40 meters, tune it for max, and then crank it up with the drive. 40 meters, I can make, what is it? Almost 125 watts, which I find is commendable. Okay, 20 meters. For some reason, 20 meters in this thing's a powerhouse. Let's try that out. 20 meters, key it, peak it. With some more drive. Oh, did I speak to, no, there it goes. Yeah, 20 meters, this thing really flies. I'm not sure why, but about 130 watts on 20 meters. I'll take that. 15 meters. I was having low output on 15 meters. Let's see how this works now with the new tubes. It was a bit low. Peak it up. Peak up the plate. Almost 100 watts. Let's crank the drive. 100 watts on 15 meters. That's pretty darn good for this thing. Okay, and for some reason I lose control of the drive on the higher bands. Not sure why that is yet. Let's now go to 10 meters. This thing has 10 meters in 3 sections, and I always go to the middle section and tune it for the middle section first. So that's 20, 10 low, 10 medium, 10 high. Let's go to medium on 10. I tune it right there. As far as tuning up all these slugs on 10, I tune it right in the middle, so the middle band will work. 10 is hard to tune on this thing as far as getting it to have broadband. Okay, key it on 10. Tune it for max smoke here. The tuning on 10 is touchy, and I have no control over the drive at all. I'm getting about 60 watts there on 10. 60 watts. If I go down to 10 lower here, which is, whoops, the CB band. Let's go on there. No power until I tune it for resonance here. Yeah, there's some power. Do the plate. About the same. About 60 watts down there. Okay, and 10 upper band, I get really not much out of it. So I got a broadband tune this thing somehow. So if I got a 10 upper band here, which is, 29 around there, let's give it a try. Not much on the meter, well, a little bit. Peak it up. Peak up the plate. Not much, so I need to work on that. There must be a way to broadband tune it. I've not figured it out yet. All right, that's my little video here. I hope you like it. Actually, I was going to try and tweak it a bit more in 40. Let's see if we can do that. Take it to 40 meters. There's 40. Take the power down. Power's down. Let's crank it. Let's tune it on 40 again. And see. I was betting I can get a few more watts out of 40 if I let try. Okay, so there's 40. Looking for my tweaker tool here, which I've put somewhere. Little tweaker tool for tweaking the cans. The problem with the radios is there's parts all over the place. So yeah, these are the tubes I replaced. So these were all original tubes from Heathkit. None of these have been changed over. And I'm not sure how much time the guy had. Here's the driver tube, 6EL6, and I think that's, yep, these are original tubes. So it works a bit better with better tubes. And I'm looking for the little tweaker tool here. Can't find it. There's mess all around here because there's like 3 radios getting worked on. I apologize for that. And tweaker tool is lost. Okay, well, thanks for watching the video. Hope your day's going well. And yeah, this thing's working pretty good. I really can't use it very well in AM because I think I'm getting some RF feedback into the microphone and the audio comes out really, really bad. So that's too bad. And yeah, here's a note. This OB2 controls the grid current, and when you key that, you'll see it light up. I did replace that OB2, and yeah, now it starts and it ignites, which is what you want. So. And the back ones that control the HV for the finals, those will dim down. Well, they're not dimming down, are they? A little bit. They're dimming down a little bit, so you want to make sure all your VRs are working, voltage regulators are working. And this one is for the VFO, the front one, so it just kind of hangs out and lights up. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.